I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your system. Create a system restore point and export the HKLM and HKCU hives so you can revert. Once done, run regedit as administrator and accept the UAC prompt. This grants the rights needed to write keys. Make sure to close other apps that might write to the registry. Now navigate directly to the target key path. Do not browse aimlessly. This is the first actionable step to reset specific registry values safely. You will now perform the core reset. Locate the exact key path and check permissions because incorrect ACLs block changes. Once verified, delete or rename the problematic key to A. Old suffix so you can restore if needed, or import a known good. Reg file to replace values. If multiple machines or keys are involved, use reg, exe, or PowerShell to apply scripted resets for consistency. Make sure to pause and confirm each change to avoid cascading issues. You finish by committing and verifying changes. Reboot Windows so services and processes read the new registry state, and then test the affected apps or features. If something goes wrong, restore the exported reg files or use the system restore point you created earlier. This is your primary safety net. Make sure to review Event Viewer and application logs for remaining errors. One key troubleshooting tip: if access is denied, boot to WinRe and take ownership before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.